Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Hello, hello, hello. My flashlight came, so we're gonna fuck it on stream, and we're gonna give a review, an honest review. I'm not a biased customer, okay? If I see bullshit with my flashlight, I'm gonna call bullshit. So we'll see how it goes. No, it isn't a flashlight. We do got a bunch of noodles to eat. I'll show you here. Eat them straight out of the packet. Let me just go ahead and ban you real quick. Hold on. We got the ghost pepper, super hot chili, flaming spicy chicken noodles. So yeah, we got a little fan. We got a little Spider-Man fan to cool us off. But Mama ain't raised no bitch. We use this for the ASMR. This guy's set you off, stimming. Spider-Man vibrator, yeah. What if I put this on your clit and then just slowly minced it? Hot chicken flavor. Oh, we got girl flavor. Girl ramen. No thanks. Just straight cheese. It looked like Kim Jong-un chicken. We got ×2 spicy, ×3 spicy, and then we got black, which just says hot chicken. I don't know what flavor it is. Like you'd assume the black one's the worst, right? It looks the most menacing, but it just says hot chicken. Maybe this is just the regular spice, and then the other one's. Oh yeah, then this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Can I get a bark? But yeah, we'll go full ASMR mode. I'll crank up the gain on my mic and just suck away. Oh my god. Check this shit out. Okay. Grandma on some demon time, bruh. What that tongue do? Look at that shit. All right, do it with the ghost pepper spicy chicken. It's black. What the fuck? And you know what's worse, dude? This gets me scared. The flavoring. I feel like I need gloves for this shit, bro. You know, I got nothing to wipe. It's on my finger. But look, it's not a powder. It's a fucking goo. Again, it's black. All right, someone donates 3,000 subs. I'll put it on my penis tip. It's all over my fingers. I think I have to drain the broth, right? But it's okay. I got a Spider-Man. It came with a Spider-Man fan. We'll go into our full ASMR mode. So I feel like I gotta make like a proper pack of noodles afterwards, just to kind of enjoy the mukbang. You know what I mean? I think I need one. They're all hot chicken flavor. Fuck. Why can't I just have regular chicken? This is gonna fuck me. The milk still in date. I was drinking expired milk for like 3 days last week, but I'm locked in this time. And I got the Wobda. It looks like brains. Let me get real ASMR.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing the Ghost Pepper Spicy Noodle Challenge. Okay guys, today we're doing the Ghost Pepper Spicy Noodle Challenge. Here we go. Oh my god! Ah!
Not that bad. I just want to scream for a clip. Oh, I actually kind of hot. I won't lie. It's getting a bit sweaty. Yumi's furry art. Oh my god, titties. Do you get it? Yeah. I mean, I ain't a furry, but like, damn. To be honest, I forgot what half the shit was they sent me. And make sure I don't dox myself. I think my address is on it. You unboxing? Yeah, it's the stuff from, what was that thing called? What was it called? Subfest. That was it. This bitch was heavy too. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, these are thick. Wait a minute. These are like thick. Yeah, perfect for summer. I cannot wait. They're like thick. I'm gonna fuck the shit out of them. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. And they're grippy too. This is perfect for Australian summer. I'm so glad they sent me these. I cannot wait to wear them. Give you the first. Oh. Okay, yeah, these are hella comfy. Quite small though with my big feet. These go perfect. This will go perfect with the Twitch thongs from last time. My feet are too big, so they kind of crumpled, but like, who's trying to get fucked in the full Twitch fit? These are so sick. Maybe I'll wear them for a week. I'll wear them for a week and auction them off. How about that? Beautiful. Another summertime essential. A sweater. We got a Twitch knitted sweater. Perfect for the Australian heat. Sarcasm, I'm grateful. Fuck. It's run by Twitch ANZ. Why the fuck are they sending us winter clothes? What is even, I don't know what it says. I cannot lie. Kinda clean. And it like almost fits. It's a bit tight, but like, come on. Catch me rocking this. Hold up, let me go find my... Ooh! Oh, baby. I just don't think I can get the socks on and the thongs because these hoes are tight. I'll get the full fit soon. The jumper is cute. Aha. Look calm fit. We're trying to get fucked in the Twitch fit. This hat is just crazy. I look like a ball boy. Why is the hat white? I don't know. White is the best color. Huh? So far, the sweater, yeah, the sweater is great. My feet already hella sweaty. I feel like I've been in the mental hospital. Like, do they need to have the octopussy cups on the bottom? But this is kind of it. I don't know what this says though. Is it meant to say something? Got a love heart? A love heart here? We got the little fuck toy. This one kind of cute. Why is there a hole in the bear? There's not yet. Soon to be. I'll put it up on the wall and then take it down when the hose come. The Twitch desk pad. This is gonna get absolutely covered in milk. This is actually sick. I'll happily take this. This is awesome. A lot of cum gonna get covered over this, but hey, very sick. I like that. And it's like pretty thick too. Quite squishy. The cum pad, yeah, it's the cum mat. Put it down underneath the ladies. Which pad giveaway? Yeah, ladies only can get it. I didn't think we got this. I thought we missed out on this, but I got another key light. You can light up my head even brighter now. Why does sweater make your voice deeper?
Because that's all the girls enjoyed it, so like.
Elgato Rose toy, that would be fire. And I let you guys control it with channel points. Should I auction off my old mouse pad? Guys, would you enter a raffle to win my old mouse pad? Guys, $5 entries to win my old mouse pad. I've spilled coffee on it 3 times on stream. Covered in cum, just loads. Played knots and crosses on it. I haven't watched it for like 2 years. I don't come on my mouse pad anymore. It comes with a butt plug. Elgato butt plug? That's kind of cool. Kind of small too. And they got little sounding rods too.